So, Apple might actually team up with Google to power the next generation of Siri. Yeah, you heard that right. According to the Bloomberg, Apple has been in early talks with Google about using their Gemini as AI brain behind a smarter Siri. Now, the interesting part is that Apple didn't just knock on Google's door, they've also had conversations with OpenAI and Anthropic. In fact, Apple rapidly wanted Anthropic, but the costs were a little too high. So now they are keeping options open and even testing their own in-house models side by side with these third-party ones. So now, here's how it works. Google has apparently started training a version of Gemini that could run on Apple's own private cloud compute servers. That means the AI would stay inside Apple's walled garden, keeping things private while still giving Siri a huge upgrade. And we're not talking about small tweaks here. Apple actually called this a second generation Siri. They've been working on an end-to-end revamp of the whole architecture, which is supposed to unlock the advanced personalization features Apple promised with the Apple Intelligence in iOS 18. They even said that this overall whole puts Apple in a position to deliver way bigger upgrades than they originally expected. So right now, there are basically two Siri versions in testing. One fully powered by Apple's own AI and another powered with the third-party models like the Gemini, OpenAI or Anthropic. But here's the catch. Apple hasn't signed any final deal yet. As for the timing, the rumor is that this upgrade AI-driven Siri could officially launch in spring 2026. That's still a while away, but if Apple really pulls this off, and especially if they actually partner with Google, it could change the entire Siri experience. So what do you guys think about it? Would you be okay with the Google powering Siri, or do you think Apple should stick to its own models? Share your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will keep you guys posted in the next one. Peace out.